Do you own a car? If so, you need to hear about this fantastic free app called Auto Market Rep. I've been searching for something like this for a long time. Trust me, it's a game changer. You can receive live quotes from multiple vendors in your area with just a few clicks. And let me tell you, this app covers almost everything: auto repair, auto body, detailing, tires and wheels, towing, auto electric, auto glass, tinting, and much more. But that's not all. Auto Market Rep will save all your service records so you don't have to worry about missing anything. And if you need to chat with vendors, set reminders, or receive notifications, it's all there for you. You can even use the app to list your car for sale or find a new one. This app has it all and more, and I'm telling you, every vehicle owner needs it. So for me, it's a must-have app. It's easy, convenient, and best of all, it's free. Download Auto Market Rep today and take control of your car's maintenance and repair needs. Trust me, you won't regret it.